Hello everyone. Are you wondering what simp means? Let's explore. Simp is a slang term used to describe someone who does too much for someone they like, often to the point of losing their self-respect or dignity. It usually refers to a person, typically a man, who is excessively attentive or submissive to someone they have romantic feelings for, often without receiving the same level of interest in return. Simping can involve actions like over-the-top compliments, constant favors, or spending money to gain the other person's attention. The term is often used in a derogatory way to call out someone who is perceived as putting someone else's needs far above their own. Simp culture critiques the idea of sacrificing too much in pursuit of affection, emphasizing the importance of maintaining self-respect in relationships. In essence, a simp is someone who prioritizes their crush's desires over their own well-being, often to an unhealthy degree. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.